Once you have your p-value, you then have to make an appropriate conclusion that's consistent with the alternative hypothesis at a 0.05 alpha. A question on the AP exam will tell you what alpha to use. It doesn't necessarily have to be 0.05. It can be 0.01. But let's use 0.05 for this project. An alpha level is a level that we can use to rule out random chance. That means we compare our p-value to that level, and it gives us evidence of either the null or the alternative hypothesis. In the middle of your screen, I wrote down what your conclusion would look like if your p-value had been less than the significance level. But since our p-value is 0.0865, that means that our p-value is bigger than our significance level. It's bigger than our alpha. This provides weak evidence against the null. Therefore, it is not statistically significant. We failed to reject the null and do not have convincing evidence of the alternative. Therefore, we have evidence that the mean cost of college tuition and fees is $10,116. Make sure that whenever you make a conclusion that you do use context to answer the question. You're telling me which hypothesis is true in context.